Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am going to show you guys how to make this amazing stuffed chicken nugget biscuit. Yes, I know. We're going to make this recipe and it's so easy. It's so good and cheesy and fluffy. I'm sure you guys will love it. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, to begin, here's my chicken. I did season my chicken overnight, which you can do right before you cook your chicken nugget biscuit. I added all the ingredients you see here: Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and basically place it in the fridge overnight. So now we're going to start cooking the chicken because biscuit cook really fast, so we want to give the chicken a head start. So we're going to cook the chicken halfway through. Here in my skillet, I am going to add oil and then we're going to place the chicken. Now make sure when you cut your chicken, make sure it's bite size. Don't make it too big because you want the chicken to be cooked through. So they're like little bite nugget size, just like so. And you can see this chicken is seasoned to the T. It's well seasoned. So we're going to place it in our skillet, basically give it a nice color until it's nicely cooked through. And if you're new here, you have not subscribed, hello, welcome. Make sure you're subscribed to Island Vibe Cooking. I do upload delicious recipe here that I'm sure you will love it. If you love this recipe, I have plenty beautiful, delicious recipe here. Please consider to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking and also hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Once the chicken is nice and golden brown on one side, we're going to flip it over. Don't overcook the chicken. And I forgot to mention, guys, I am using chicken thigh, not breast, because chicken breasts tend to be super dry. So I like to go with thigh instead of the breast because it's more juicier. Okay, so this is the chicken. You can see it's like a head start. Like I told you guys, it's not fully cooked because we're going to cook it again in the oven, so we give it a head start. So now moving on, we have some cheddar bay biscuit mix here from Red Lobster. Now I love Red Lobster's biscuit. If you're one of those people, let me know down below because I love those biscuits. So here I'm going to follow the direction on the box. Basically they said to add water, which I will also leave the measurement down below. So they said add the water, and then we're going to add the mix, and then we're going to add a ton of cheese. Okay, add lots of cheese in there and give it a mix. Now you can use the Pillsbury dough, the biscuit dough, if you want, but I just love the Red Lobster biscuit, so I choose that one to make the recipe. So we're going to add that in there just like so. I'm using, I believe the cheese I'm using is cheddar cheese. I think I will make sure to leave it down below for you guys, but you can use whatever cheese you want, whatever cheese you like, and give that a mix. Do not over mix it, okay? Don't over mix that. Oh, it's gonna be it's not going to turn out right. So give it a quick mix just like so, and then we're going to move on. All right, here's the chicken, and I know you guys see it. You see all the seasoning all over the chicken. This chicken is well seasoned, okay? You can see that. Now here I have the cast iron. I added a little bit of oil on there, and then what I am going to do basically is form my biscuit. I took a big old spoon of the batter, and then we're going to add the chicken in the middle of it. Now I know my hands look super ashy, but it's not. I use a little bit of flour on my hand just to make sure the batter didn't stick on my hand, but it's not ashy. Don't come for me. Okay, I had to let that out before anybody said, oh my god, look at those fingers, look at your hands, super dry. Nah. All right, so we're going to place it here. So I'm going to form them really big than usual just because I have one cast iron. I didn't want to make little ones, and I just wanted a normal size one. If you get one, you feel like you eat a biscuit, you don't have to go back and grab another one. So basically that's what I am going to do, and just place them on the cast iron just like so. Add the chicken on there, or you can cover it if you want, but that's how I wanted to do it, halfway through. Okay. And have you guys been washing your hands? I'm sure you do. Wash your hands, because I wash my hands. My hands are not dry. All right, so once you're done, this is what you have. Now what I am going to do is add more cheese on top of the chicken just to make it super cheesy. Now I didn't want to go overboard with the cheese, okay? So I added a little bit of cheese, not too much, okay? So just add a little bit of the cheese and bake it based on the direction on the box. And once it is done, oh my god, I just love Red Lobster's biscuit. Like, I will literally take some to go. That's how bad I love them. Okay, now we're going to place it in the fridge. Once it is halfway through, I am going to get some butter with some garlic, with some fresh chopped parsley, and rub all over it. All right, so it can be nice and buttery and garlicky, just how I like it. And then we're going to place it back in the oven. And then once it is done, you are ready to go, honey. You're ready to eat. I'm ready to eat, okay? This is it basically, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you guys like it. If you did, let me know down below. More recipes coming soon. And if you have any suggestions, leave them down below for me, because I am taking suggestion. And this is your biscuit, guys. I hope you enjoy it. It was so fluffy. It melts in your mouth. Oh my gosh. And the crust on top, oh, so good. I hope you guys like it. Leave me a thumbs up and also a comment. What do you want to see me cook? And of course, you can't forget the chicken. Duh. The chicken was so good. It was so juicy. It was not dry. Like I said, try chicken thighs instead of the chicken breast. This is it. I'm done talking. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.